Hello, and thank you for clicking on this lesson. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the Science Journal. This app is made by Google and can easily be found in both iOS and Android stores, app stores. There are some permissions that you need to provide because it does use all of the sensors that you can find on a cell phone. This is the projects page. This is where you'll find all of your saved projects after you've collected data. So this will be our first attempt. As an example, there is a camera available. And you can store images within the program. Now let's see some of the possible sensors that can be used with the phone. This is the X coordinate, and you have Y and Z available as well. The little icon instructs you as to how you should place the phone when using it to collect data. This is especially interesting if you're using it for any form of recording space and other potential information, really. You can do barometric pressure, how much light, there's a compass. You can also measure magnetism. I'm just showing you an example of me moving around in a room. When it comes to actually applying this to the lesson that I had created, it's very important for the kids to be able to understand how they can use the technology that they possess in a cell phone as a tricorder or a data collector. This is for sound. It can be used to measure. I would recommend having the students analyze their environment before they begin using the technology, but they do need to explore and experiment with it before they actually get to use it. I hope this helps all the teachers that are watching this. The lesson that I had created is pretty interesting. I hope you download it and test it out and leave comments. Thanks.